What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So my goal is to show you guys what the market participants are doing and where they're most likely going to take price to next. So let's go over what happened since last week, Monday. It looks like price bounced off of that 327, 328 level. But it was still overall bearish. Bears looked to be in control. Why? Because price was still below this downward trend line. Price is below the EMA. And we did bounce off of the measure move target right over here. It went up. It could not even come back to the breakout zone, which is even more bearish. So we bounced, and then it just rolled over. The floor just fell out, right? It wasn't strong enough. The bulls aren't trying to buy the price at this level. Maybe they'll buy at lower levels. So then the price will continue to drop until we see a massive amount of demand. As right now, there's a lot more supply than demand. So again, the price is going to continue to drop. There's a lot of more aggressive sellers than aggressive buyers who want to bid down the price than bid up the price. So again, it's looking bearish. I think there's a gap right here that can be filled. This is right around the 250 level to fill that. And there's also another gap right here that can be filled, and that's at the 219, 218 level. So similar story. Just for MicroStrategy, I went over massive dump down already, 42% for Tesla. I mean, what does this have to do with Bitcoin, right? I mean, yeah, they have some Bitcoin, but not even close to MicroStrategy. And this stock's already down 40%, basically since around the same time, right? Late last year. So what's going on? I think a lot of these stocks they topped out on the macro scale, at least temporarily. And now we're just seeing a bigger correction play out. So again, all the people who made their money, from back over here or had entered positions here, they want to get out. Pricing will start falling right back to the break evens, and then maybe it'll rally from there. So let's take a look at some lower price targets because we can't entertain any long-term price targets yet, or bullish targets. So you combine the first two legs because those targets were met. Look for the next leg down. That's a 201 level. So again, it could get that bearish, right? Don't be surprised. It's not guaranteed, but that is the next target that the bears will try to reach. As right now, I'll be looking for the mid 260s. That is definitely a very closer target, a more high probability target because we're almost right there. That is the breakout zone. And then from there, if it doesn't hold, we'll start filling in these gaps that I already mentioned. One at the 252, one at the 218, and then maybe the 201 measuring target. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, see what else we can find. Again, this is all about clues, right? What are the market participants leaving us to analyze? Well, we're in this very large channel, as you can see here. We have the channel lows with this line right here. See this line right here, the white line? You drag up the line, you make a parallel line right to the top. That's exactly where price topped out at right over there. So again, it makes sense for price to correct right at this measurement target as well. So this is all one large leg right here. Correction, second leg up, correction. So again, it's perfectly playing out. At the tip of the arrow was the measurement target and the top of the channel, and that's exactly where we found resistance and price started selling off. So again, the channel market structure works this way. When price hits one side, it will go to the upside. When it hits one side, it will go to the opposite side. In this case, it hit the bottom, came back to the bottom, but eventually went to the top. Now we hit the top. Where are we going now? To the bottom. It says sub 200 as of right now. It's right over here at the sub 200, 180s, 190s is maybe when Tesla will bottom out. And let's measure this correction, how long this took to play out. That took to play out about 428 days to play out, right? 61 bars. And this one is dropping much quicker, obviously, so it may not take that long to get there, but does look still bearish as of right now. So let's continue to monitor this situation. It's not looking bullish. It's looking bearish. So let's see how this plays out. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.